Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in a trade on Euro JPY for 124.44. I did a buy on that. Right now I'm currently in profit, as you can see. Right now the market's at 124.49. Not a real big movement, but it's going to be a movement that move to the upside. Take a look at the chart. New candle just opened up, so this is going to continue to move to the upside. We caught a pullback in this strong movement right here, so I'm expecting it to move to the upside now. After been falling for weeks now, at least a week, I have some upside movement. But we still have 57 minutes left on this trade. I'm up $1,100. This account should see 50,000 by today, probably by the end of this trade or somewhere near. So back with a very strong strategy. I don't think I will be doing too many changes to my strategy at this point. You know, I mean, I won't call this strategy new, but I done refined it and got a lot better at it. I can pass the eye test on the charts now. As you can see, the price going up, and I'm steady going into profit. Right now, I just get back with you guys when the trade's about over. I'm back, guys. As you can see, the position is still in the green. We're under a minute. It's 124.49. The market had came up and went down. Went down and came back up. We'll take a look at it. It's still moving back up right now as we speak. May get back in. I wish I may get back in another position. We'll see how things are going. It's starting to move up right now for the next hour. So we'll see how it goes. That might be done for the day until the market reopen at 6, and we'll see what goes on from there. But right now we're gonna watch this trade win. I'm up 6 pips. Nothing too great, but you know, I'm only looking for small market moves, nothing major. I'm doing 2-hour binaries. I just need a 6 to 7 point move, maybe a 10-point move, which is great. All right. Let's see what happens here with the settlement of this contract. Waiting for it to settle, you guys. And there it is. 49,000. Oh man, we're $500 shy of hitting 50K. I just checking out, y'all.